You know what? I lived for over 30 years without knowing that preserving garlic was so simple. I recently learned a method, and surprisingly, garlic can stay fresh and sprout free all year round. It's really effective. Many people buy garlic in bulk to use gradually, but garlic dries out easily, loses its aroma, and becomes less appealing if not stored properly. Actually, preserving garlic isn't complicated at all. A longtime garlic farmer shared some extremely useful tips with me. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. Method 1. Preserving garlic in flour. Prepare a dry glass jar or plastic container. Pour a layer of flour about 2 to 3 centimeters thick at the bottom of the jar. Add garlic to the jar until it's full. You can sprinkle a thin layer of flour lightly over the top of the garlic. It doesn't need to cover it completely. Add a few grains of salt to increase its moisture-absorbing capacity. Keep the lid tightly closed and store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. The layer of flour at the bottom absorbs moisture from the air and the steam released by the garlic, preventing mold from forming at the bottom of the jar. Garlic can be kept dry and fragrant for about 2 to 3 months. Method 2. Preserving garlic with bay leaves. Prepare dried garlic, choosing firm, uncracked cloves. I use glass jars for storage. Place a layer of garlic at the bottom of the jar. Place a layer of bay leaves on top. Alternately layer garlic and bay leaves in the jar. Bay leaves contain natural essential oils that help fight bacteria, prevent mold, and repel insects. Storing it with garlic helps extend its shelf life and creates a mild, pleasant aroma. You can add a few whole black peppercorns to enhance its antifungal properties. Once full, close the lid tightly and store in a dry place. Garlic can be stored for 3 to 4 months without molding or sprouting. I find this method quite unique, aesthetically pleasing, and suitable for storing garlic for quick use in the kitchen. Method 3. Preserve with baking soda and dry tea. Use paper towels or gauze. Take out the garlic, sprinkle a little baking soda and a little dry tea on the towel, wrap it up, and tie it tightly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put this small bag in the garlic bag, squeeze the air, and tie it tightly. Tea has polyphenols that help prevent garlic from sprouting and also absorb odors and moisture well. Baking soda also helps absorb moisture, preventing garlic from absorbing water. Garlic only sprouts when there is enough humidity and temperature. If it cannot absorb water, the garlic will not sprout. Hang the garlic bag in a cool, dry place. When eating, just open it, take out the garlic and tie it up. The garlic will not wither or sprout for half a year. Method 4. Soaking garlic in olive oil. To begin, separate the garlic cloves and peel them. Next, place the garlic in a clean glass jar. You can leave the cloves whole if you prefer a milder flavor, or lightly crush them to release more of the garlic's aroma. Next, pour in olive oil until the garlic is completely submerged. Close the lid tightly. It's best to store the jar of garlic in the refrigerator and use it within 2 to 3 weeks to ensure quality. When using it, you can use the oil for frying, stir-frying, or mixing, while the garlic can be used directly in cooking. The aroma is milder than fresh garlic, but is very pleasant and convenient. With just one simple preparation, you'll have an ingredient readily available to make cooking faster and tastier every day. Method 5. Garlic soaked in vinegar. Natural antibiotic. Try this simple vinegar soaking method. It's delicious and helps increase the resistance of the whole family, especially in the cold season. First, separate each clove of garlic, discarding any damaged, moldy, or dried cloves. I use Vietnamese garlic, small bulbs but firm and fragrant, very suitable for soaking in vinegar. Put the garlic in a large bowl, pour in water, and soak for about 1 hour. This little tip helps soften the garlic and make peeling much easier. After soaking, rinse with clean water, then peel. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Large cloves should be split in half so that the garlic can absorb more quickly when soaked. The characteristic aroma of garlic at this point will make you want to eat it right away. Garlic is famous for its antibacterial properties, increases resistance, and helps prevent colds naturally, so having a jar in the house is a peace of mind during the cold season. Put the pre-processed garlic in a glass jar, about 400 milliliters. Add to the jar 1 teaspoon of salt, a little rock sugar to create a light sweetness, 300 milliliters of vinegar. A few slices of fresh chili if you like a spicy taste. Pour in cooled boiled water until the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid tightly, shake gently to dissolve the spices. Place the jar in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. After 7 to 10 days, you can use it. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful the garlic will be, the more beautiful the color, and the richer the flavor. Stored properly, you can use it all year round without worrying about spoilage. Which method do you like best? Please share in the comments. If you have a better tip, don't hesitate to share it. I'd love to learn too. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share with family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next great tips. See you in the next video.